Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, we will see how to fix iPhone camera mode not working. So let's begin. All you have to do is go to the settings and scroll down to battery. Tap on the battery section and make sure to turn off the lower power mode button. Now, go back and scroll all the way down to camera. Tap on the camera bar. Click on preserve settings. Now make sure that the camera mode has been turned off. If it's on, then simply turn it off. Now again go back and scroll all the way up to the general. Tap on the general section, click on software update and see if there is any latest version of your iPhone to be updated. If yes, simply update your iPhone. Now again tap on general and scroll all the way down and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now select the option reset all settings. After following all these steps, your portrait mode will start working on your iPhone camera. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel. In case of any queries or recommendations, feel free to reach out to us through the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video.